Moderna is touting a landmark moment in its experimental melanoma treatment. The drug maker says its mRNA vaccine prevented the deadly skin cancer from returning or spreading when used with Merck's cancer immunotherapy drug. The study focused on patients who had undergone surgery to remove melanoma and were at high risk of the cancer's return. More than 8,500 people are expected to die from melanoma in the U.S. this year. CBS News medical correspondent Dr. Céline Gounder is here to talk about the study's results. Dr. Gounder is also the editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News and a former melanoma patient. So having had melanoma yourself, walk us through how important this is. I mean, it uses pieces of the patient's own tumor, so it's a personalized vaccine, right?
That's right, Lindsay. So, yeah, I had melanoma myself. It was very early, but I know what it's like to wait for that pathology report to come back. This was a phase 3 clinical trial that looked at people with melanoma at more advanced stages of disease. So their melanoma had gone deeper or it had reached the lymph nodes. And this trial may lead to better options for people like that. So how does this vaccine work? The vaccine, it's an mRNA vaccine. It delivers synthetic mRNA into the cell. It cannot reach the nucleus, so your DNA, which is inside the nucleus, stays protected. The cell reads the mRNA, and that mRNA is, in fact, a recipe for making protein that matches the mutation in somebody's tumor. The protein then travels to the cell's surface, and that teaches the immune system to recognize the cancer and attack it. And when given together with Keytruda, the Merck immunotherapy drug, you're actually training your immune system in two different ways to attack the cancer.
We know that melanoma is not the most common type of skin cancer, but it is the deadliest. It leads to the majority of skin cancer deaths. When could this be available?
Well, not soon. Nobody can get this outside of a clinical trial right now. The companies, so Merck and Moderna, say they will talk to the FDA about filing. They have not filed yet. They have not named a date. This particular trial will keep running to see whether people actually live longer with the addition of the mRNA vaccine. But there are also headwinds. Federal officials canceled about $500 million in mRNA contracts last year. Those cuts hit infectious disease work, but they may also slow the development of cancer vaccines like this one, too.
Dr. Céline Gounder, thank you so much.